What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Today, as you guys can see, I'm doing a voiceover. I lost the audio, which I'll explain to you guys in the video. But for now, I'm just basically talking about the M4. Right now, this M4 is just in here for a little diagnosis. It's misfiring, so we're just going off the checklist, basically just checking the combustion, making sure that everything's okay. But today we're gonna go ahead and work on the M4, which I'm actually just explaining to you guys right now. I don't know exactly what I'm talking about, but there's Erez. So he's like, "What's up, everyone?" There's Nikon. He's like, "What's up, everyone?" So basically, this video is about making, or not me, but Erez is gonna be making the new G80 key, the new G8X key for the M4. So I'm gonna have the same key as the G80 M3. This is a modification that I've been holding off for a minute actually. Erez has been asking me to do it. He's saying like, yeah, guys, you guys gotta do it. Yeah, so I finally decided to do the key, and basically I'm just going blah blah blah. This is what I have to do. This is what I need to do, and I just simply forgot what I was talking about in this part of the video. But I hope that you guys are gonna like the video, and if you guys do, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, turn on your notifications, comment down below. Alright, so at this part of the video, I'm basically just kind of talking to you guys about the FEM module. That's what needs to be wired up into Erez's setup that he has, and that's pretty much protected by this cover. We went ahead and got basically the whole circuit board ready for him to hook it up to his reader, and then we're going to extract the information and make a new key. So at this part of the video, Kevin took over. So he's just going, yeah, guys, this is the part where the key goes on there. Aris says, yes. I'm like, yeah, yeah, right, Aris? Savage, savage. No. But anyways, there goes Aris with his setup tray. Basically right there he has all that he needs to basically connect to the circuit board, and it's basically going to transfer information from one side to the other. As you guys saw, Nikon is setting up the next tools for our next job, and that's the autel. That's his information. Actually, yeah, that's his information, or autel. Autotel. I probably butchering it, but probably butchering that name, as you guys just saw. I couldn't even talk for a second. But that's the whole setup right there, you guys. We got the dash ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure that my audio is properly done right now. But we got Erez. He's got his whole setup out here just to get this key done on the F80. And yeah, it's a little embarrassing after I realized that my fucking mic wasn't on.
Yeah. So what do you got here? So this is the little lab that I made for myself. So I have the immobilizer system of the car. I have to get all the information out of the immobilizer. So I gotta be able to make a key. So first of all, we gotta eject out the information. Then I gotta inject the information back to the new key, and then we're gonna have a brand new key.
So you gotta extract the info first,
Yes.
and then reprogram
Yeah.
the information to the new key.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Nice, bro. Yeah.
There you go. There it is. So if you guys need a key, just go ahead and reach out to Erez. I'll definitely get you guys with the new key. And these are the old keys right here. So can't wait for the new key.
Yeah.
So roughly, what's the time frame that this involves?
From start to finish, between an hour to 2 hours.
Nice. That's a crazy process for sure.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so the key process has been completed. He already went ahead and put the FEM together. Now he's gonna put the fuses back, and then I'm gonna help him reinsert everything back into the passenger side footwell, and then we should be good to test out the new key.
Guys, as you can see, Daniel is reconnecting the FEM module back in. Get everything connected. And then we have Erez here. making sure everything is going good. But yeah, guys, this part is like super tedious. You gotta be careful and take your time on it. You don't want to damage any parts or clips. It's super sensitive right here. Daniel, nice,
And the original keys right there, right?
sick, sick, bro.
Start the car too, right?
Yeah, start it.
Sick, bro.
Rich.
That's fire. Let's see, lock it. Where's the key? Nice.
Same coatings too. Everything.
Damn, that's dope. That's dope.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
You guys gotta hit up Erez. Definitely, if you guys, actually not if you guys need this key. So you guys gotta reach out to Erez. We'll definitely hook you guys up. He'll take care of you guys. As you guys just saw, this was about a 2-hour process. I think it was actually less than 2 hours.
Probably less, I think, in like an hour, right?
So,
Yeah.
guys, you guys need this key. You guys reach out to Erez. I'll put his Instagram up here and also on the description down below.
And he does it for the E chassis. You do it for the F chassis.
G chassis, no.
G chassis, not yet.
Not yet.
But E chassis, F chassis, like F10 M5s.
Even on M cars.
So even on M car guys, you guys can get your key done, and you don't do just BMWs. You could do more, right? You could do other brands as well. So yeah, for sure, hit up Erez, guys. Sick. That guy's super nice.
Way better than the G, actually.
What do you guys prefer? The all black or the silver? I think the silver looks classier, huh? I think it looks better.
It does. It actually has more weight to it too.
Yeah.
As well.
Was dope. You got both. You got both colors. Rich. Yeah, that's just fire, guys. Look at that.
Both colors.
Yeah, his is black on the G80.
Where?
Black. The face.
The buttons.
No, that's weird. That's not it. Like, usually the M cars they come in with the silver thing.
Look at that, guys.
Where's
It
yours?
works perfectly.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Oh.
See that?
Oh, so you got
It's
an
on
18.
point.
It's not free. It's way not
Literally
free.
on point, guys. Look at the quality of this thing. Beautiful.